Hello everyone, and welcome to a new educational video on common collocations. Collocations are combinations of words that frequently go together, making our speech and writing sound more natural and fluent. Today, we'll explore some of the most common collocations, provide example sentences, and practice using them in context. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use these word combinations effectively. Additionally, we've included comprehension questions to help reinforce your learning. So, let's get started on this journey to mastering collocations. The importance of learning common collocations. Fluency and naturalness make speech and writing sound more like a native speaker. Improved comprehension enhances understanding of spoken and written language. Effective communication reduces misunderstandings and clarifies messages. Enhanced vocabulary expands and deepens vocabulary usage. Cultural insight provides insight into cultural norms and usage. Better writing skills improves coherence and quality of writing. Time efficiency speeds up language learning by learning chunks. Reading and listening proficiency aids in quicker, more accurate comprehension. Confidence building boosts confidence in language use. Overview. Get common collocations. Examples: reading stories, interactive questions, matching questions, sentence completion questions, multiple choice questions. Common collocations. Get. Let's begin with set 1 of Get collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Get a job. Get a promotion. Get a raise. Get home. Get to work. Get sick. Get better. Get injured. Get married. Get divorced.
Examples. After months of searching, Jacob finally got a job at a marketing agency. Lucy worked hard and got a promotion to senior manager. Logan was happy to get a raise after completing a successful project. I usually get home from work around 6 p.m. Violet gets to work by bus every morning. Dylan got sick after eating street food. The doctor said I will get better if I take my medicine regularly. The football player got injured during the match. Madison and Ethan got married in a beautiful garden ceremony. After years of problems, Chloe and Leo decided to get divorced.
A new chapter for Andrew. Andrew had been struggling for months to get a job after finishing university. Finally, he landed an entry-level position at a tech company. He worked tirelessly, staying late at the office to prove himself. Within a year, his dedication paid off. He managed to get a promotion and even get a raise. Life was busy, and he often rushed to get to work early and only got home late at night. Unfortunately, with so much stress, he started to get sick frequently. His doctor advised him to take better care of himself, and slowly, he got better with rest and a healthier routine. Outside of work, Andrew's personal life changed too. He met Lisa, and they decided to get married in a beautiful seaside ceremony. However, over time, things didn't go as planned, and they eventually got divorced. Though it was difficult, Andrew focused on his career and self-growth. One day, while playing football with friends, he accidentally got injured and had to take a break from work. It was frustrating, But in the end, it gave him time to reflect on everything he had achieved so far.
Matching questions. Match the scenarios with the correct phrases. Get a promotion. Got better. Got a job. Get divorced. Got injured. If you work hard and impress your boss, you might blank. Joshua was running too fast during the game and blank. David applied to many companies before he finally blank. Lucy was feeling terrible, but after resting for a few days, she blank. Zoe and Mike didn't get along anymore, so they decided to blank.
Let's continue. Let's begin with set 2 of Get Collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Get an education. Get a degree. Get a qualification. Get excited. Get nervous. Get frustrated. Get a headache. Get in shape. Get along with someone. Get to know someone.
Examples. Every child should have the opportunity to get an education. Lillian got a degree in psychology from a top university. To work as a teacher, you need to get a qualification in education. The kids got excited when they saw the birthday cake. I always get nervous before a big presentation. Anthony gets frustrated when his computer crashes. I always get a headache when I skip my morning coffee. Charles started running every day to get in shape. I'm happy that I get along well with my new colleagues. It takes time to get to know new friends.
Julia's journey to success. Julia had always dreamed of becoming a doctor. She worked hard to get an education and eventually managed to get a degree in medical science. However, to start her career, she needed to get a qualification first. Some subjects were difficult, and she would often get frustrated with complex topics. She spent hours studying, and sometimes she would even get a headache from all the reading and memorization. On exam days, she couldn't help but get nervous, but she reminded herself to stay calm. Whenever she passed an important exam, she would get excited and celebrate with her friends. At university, Julia made an effort to get along with her classmates. Over time, she managed to get to know them better, and they became close friends. After graduating, she decided to get in shape by jogging every morning to stay healthy for her demanding job. A few months later, Julia started working at a hospital where she had to handle real patients for the first time. The experience helped her get more confident in her skills, and she quickly adapted to the fast-paced environment. Despite the challenges, she was proud of how far she had come.
Sentence completion questions. Read the sentences below and fill in the blanks with the correct collocations from the list. Get a headache. Get a degree. Get along with. Get frustrated. Get in shape. Get a qualification. Get nervous. 1. To become a successful lawyer, you need to first complete your studies and blank in law, which allows you to practice professionally. 2. Ashley trained hard for several months and ate healthy to blank for the marathon. 3. When you move to a new school in a different city, it takes time to adjust and blank your classmates. 4. John was trying to solve a difficult maths problem, but after struggling for hours without success, he started to blank and felt like giving up. 5. Right before his important job interview, Mark suddenly began to feel anxious, his hands became sweaty, and he started to blank. 6. Anna received the official certificate proving that she had successfully managed to blank in business management.
Let's carry on. Let's begin with set 3 of Get Collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Get lost. Get stuck in traffic. Get on a bus, train, plane. Get experience. Get recognition. Get better at something. Get used to something. Get inspired. Get knowledge. Get together.
Examples. Natalie and I got lost while hiking in the mountains. Caleb got stuck in traffic for an hour this morning. Josephine and her sister got on the train just in time. You need to get experience before applying for senior jobs. His artwork got recognition in a famous gallery. Claire's getting better at playing the piano with each practice session. It takes time to get used to a new culture and its traditions. I got inspired by a TED Talk I watched about overcoming challenges. Reading is a great way to get knowledge and improve your critical thinking. Let's get together this weekend for a picnic at the park.
Tobias's journey abroad. Tobias had always dreamed of traveling abroad and experiencing different cultures. When he got on the plane to Spain for university, he felt both nervous and excited. On his first day, he decided to explore the city but got lost in the narrow streets. Thankfully, a kind shop owner helped him find his way back. The next morning, Tobias woke up early for class but got stuck in traffic and arrived late. He quickly learned to plan his trips better. During the semester, he worked on projects to get experience in his field. He spent long hours in the library to get knowledge and improve his skills. Over time, his dedication paid off, and he got recognition from his professors. At first, adjusting was tough, but he gradually got used to the language, culture, and lifestyle. He joined a student club, where he and his friends would get together on weekends to explore the city. One evening, Tobias attended a seminar and got inspired by a speaker who encouraged students to follow their dreams. Motivated, he started a travel blog. As time passed, he got better at Spanish and made new connections. His journey, which began with challenges, became one of the best experiences of his life.
Multiple choice questions. Read the sentences and circle the correct one. 1. During his solo trip to Japan, Eric blank in the busy streets of Tokyo. A. Got stuck. B. Got lost. C. Got on. 2. After years of hard work, Sophia finally blank when her paintings were displayed in a famous gallery. A. Got better. B. Got experience. C. Got recognition. 3. When I moved to a new country, it took me a while to blank the different culture and customs. A. Get inspired by. B. Get used to. C. Get stuck in. 4. Despite waking up early, I blank for nearly 40 minutes and arrived late to my appointment. A. Got lost. B. Got stuck in traffic. C. Got recognition. 5. Lisa and her friends have been busy with work, so they plan to blank for lunch this weekend. A. Get knowledge. B. Get recognition. C. Get together. 6. Benjamin took a communication course to blank, presenting in front of an audience. A. Get better at. B. Get stuck in. C. Get experience.
Thank you for joining this educational video on common collocations. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to use these essential word combinations. Remember, the key to mastering collocations is practice and exposure. Continue to read, listen, and use these collocations in your daily communication. Don't forget to test your understanding by answering the comprehension questions. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Keep practicing, and you'll see your language skills improve in no time. Have a great day, and happy learning!